So, as local governments, we supply many of our services to our residents using infrastructure. From the roads and sidewalks to water and wastewater to recreation, all those services are delivered using different types of infrastructure. A good infrastructure asset management plan will help ensure the continuity of your assets, which leads to the continuity of those services. The continuity of services for our communities is why we exist as local governments. No local government representative, elected or not, wants to stand in front of their community and tell them they can't drink their water because their water treatment plant failed, because a critical piece of infrastructure wasn't replaced when it should have been, or maintained with a preventative maintenance program. This is why strategic asset management needs to be a priority for accounting and finance. We can't continue sustainable service delivery without it.